Well, hello YouTube. This is my latest find, a Hoover Professional Series. This is the ch50000 model. The ch520 is based off a Hoover Decade 80, Decade 800. And this is same thing as a commercial guardsman, of course, except here it's a guardsman commercial. This cord would be orange. This bag would be black. This was an eBay find. I think it was one. I don't remember how much I paid for it. It's a little over $100. I had won one of these for years, and I saw online someone had the ch520, the Decade 80 version, for sale for $389. I'm like, no, that's not gonna happen. So I saw this unit online. And eBay's opened the box, and I jumped on it. Now, the first time I started it, just to see if it would run, which it did, it sounded hideous. I'm like, oh, belt probably snapped, but I had been wrong. And this was the belt that was on it. See, look at that. These things are pretty hard on belts. Keep that in mind. And the seller forgot to put in the extension cord, so I just have this black aftermarket cord on it for right now. And one more thing about the actual commercial guardsman, it does not have this pigtail, whereas the ch520 does. So it's the guardsman C1431, C1631, C1433, and C1633 that don't have this pigtail. Which I think this is a great thing to put on industrial machines. That way, if you do run over the cord, you can just go to the hardware store, buy a long cord, and plug it in. It's a good vacuum. It's great shape. Look underneath it here. See, 4-brush brush roll, metal plate instead of plastic. It's upside down. Means ch50000. Right away for you guys. Serial number. Distributed by Hoover Incorporated in Glenville, Ohio. Made in China. And it is TTI, unfortunately, like everything is these days. Brush roll is a bit loud, but I checked it out. It's fine. It's just a new, cheaper one, so it's those cheap plastic bushings instead of bearings. But it agitates very nicely. It pulls itself across the floor. And IDK I don't know about you all, but I think this is rather a poor placement of the power switch. As I prefer the old ones where you have the switch up on the handle where it should be. This thing, you gotta, when you're standing behind the thing, you gotta reach around with your foot to hit it. And say in an office building or school, you'd be wearing shoes. That would be even more cumbersome to get your foot on that thing and turn it on or off. And that doesn't really bug me. So without any more of my further rambling, we'll run it. This is the HEPA bag. No, it's not a shakeout. See? It's a HEPA A bag in there. It is a little bit loud, but it's still really good. So here we go. course, you hear that brush roll in there, but that doesn't really bother me. So, hope you guys enjoyed. Later.